How to manage your money. A comprehensive guide for high-income earners and those living on a tight budget. In this video, we will delve into the crucial aspects of managing your finances effectively, offering valuable insights for both high-income earners and individuals living on a tight budget. Whether you are a high-income earner or living paycheck to paycheck, our tips will help you make the most of your money and achieve financial success. Set financial goals. The first step towards effective money management is setting clear financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term objectives, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or planning for retirement. Having a well-defined roadmap will keep you motivated and on track to achieve your financial aspirations. Create a budget. While budgeting may seem like a restrictive term, it is an essential tool for managing your finances. Create a budget that aligns with your income and expenses, allocating funds towards your financial goals and ensuring you cover all your necessities. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your spending and make adjustments as needed. Track your expenses. Keeping track of your expenses is vital for understanding where your money is going and identifying areas where you can cut back. Categorize your expenses as fixed, variable, or periodic, and analyze them regularly to find ways to reduce costs without compromising on your quality of life. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is crucial for financial stability, especially when unexpected expenses arise. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account to act as a safety net during emergencies or unexpected job loss. This fund should be separate from your other savings and investments. Manage debt effectively. If you have high income, you may find yourself with significant debt. Create a plan to manage and pay off your debt strategically. Consider using the debt snowball or avalanche method to stay motivated and make timely payments to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Save and invest. Prioritize saving and investing a portion of your income. Automate your savings by setting up direct deposits into your investment accounts. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, health savings accounts, and other tax-advantaged accounts to maximize your savings potential. Regularly review your investment portfolio, rebalance as needed, and consider working with a financial advisor to develop a tailored investment strategy. Live below your means. Regardless of your income level, living below your means is essential for financial success. Avoid lifestyle inflation and resist the urge to keep up with societal pressures. Differentiate between needs and wants, and make conscious spending choices that align with your values and financial goals. Diversify your income streams. If you want to boost your income, explore ways to diversify your income streams. Consider starting a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in rental properties. Having multiple income sources can provide financial stability and opportunities for growth. Review insurance coverage. Regularly review and update your insurance coverage to ensure you have adequate protection. Shop around for the best rates and ensure your policies meet your evolving needs. This includes health, home, auto, and life insurance. Plan for retirement. Retirement planning is essential for a comfortable future. Determine your retirement goals, estimate your expenses, and calculate how much you need to save. Take advantage of retirement accounts and work with a financial advisor to develop a comprehensive retirement plan. Live each day with no regrets. Enjoy your life and don't be consumed with money. Remember that money is just one aspect of a fulfilling life. Nurture your relationships, pursue your hobbies, and take time to appreciate the things that bring you joy. These tips will help you effectively manage your finances, whether you are a high-income earner or living on a tight budget. Remember, it's not about the amount you earn, but how you manage, save, and invest your money that truly matters. Start implementing these tips today and pave the way for a financially successful and fulfilling tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos and join our growing community of financially savvy individuals. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.